How to fix you follow or unfollow too often on TikTok. So if you want to fix you follow or unfollow too often on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up our TikTok application. And once you open up your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with the profile option, which is here on the bottom right. Tap on the profile. Once you tap on profile, go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon, and then go for settings and privacy. And here you need to simply scroll down and tap on report a problem. Once you tap on it, here you will get some options. So simply go for the option which is follow. You can go with interaction, and under interaction you will have an option of follow. Simply tap on follow and then choose the second option, which is following too fast. And if you've been following accounts too quickly, you may have received the alerts you are following accounts too quickly. Try again later. Please try again in 24 hours. So if you're receiving like this, then you just need to simply tap on no and tap on need more help. And now you need to simply write that it shows you're following and unfollowing too often, and simply write the problem and ask TikTok to help you solve the problem. And once you've written that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your follow or unfollow too often on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.